Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by ensuring your controller and console are ready, update the controller firmware, then plug in a good data USB cable. Once done, switch the Xbox power mode to Instant On so the system maintains peripheral connections. This prevents the controller from losing its link while you're away. You want a stable wired connection because a USB link supplies continuous power and data, which is why it reliably stops the automatic sleep that wireless and Bluetooth paths trigger. Next, make the detailed configuration. Verify the console is truly on Instant On and that Bluetooth is disabled for that controller to avoid priority conflicts. Connect the controller and open Xbox accessories or the console's device page to confirm it shows as wired. If you're using a PC, disable power management for the USB hub in device settings so Windows won't suspend the port. Test by leaving the controller idle for longer than the normal sleep window. If it stays active, the setup is correct. Finally, lock in the solution and monitor it. Prefer continuous USB power or fresh batteries and occasionally check firmware updates to prevent regressions. If the controller still times out, try a different high-quality data cable, perform a controller reset, and rerun the firmware update. Damaged cables or stale firmware are common culprits. As a last resort, use a small periodic input utility on PC or a simple USB input device to simulate activity. This keeps the controller from entering sleep.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.